Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jennie here. Today is Quick Tip Monday and I've got a quick tip for you. So for those of you that have very dry hair, especially with the winter months coming up, especially if you live in North America or in this hemisphere, my quick tip is this. You can actually shampoo your hair with conditioner only. So believe it or not, conditioner has the same cleansing agents as shampoo except without the alcohol. So it washes your hair and conditions it all at the same time. And there you have it. That is my quick tip for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE. Or if you want to catch me on my last video, just click right here. Or if you want to subscribe, click on my face right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.